Hello, we're here with the La Via girls engineering team.
Yes.
This past weekend did very well at the second annual competition at UTRGV. Ms. Zerda, Zerda,
Either works, it's fine.
what is this competition about?
So every year, the engineering community has an engineering week, and this year at UTRGV, along with last year, they had a specific day celebrating girls in engineering. And so part of this day, they have a competition where the girls are brought over and given a specific scenario. And in this one, the scenario was that they were to create a controller for a game that was to help somebody rehabilitate a broken arm, well, broken hand specifically, or a broken ankle. And within 2.5 hours, they had to reprogram a game and create a controller that worked with that game to help some individual exercise their broken wrist or broken ankle.
Now girls, let's go around one at a time, introduce yourselves, and tell me what your part in this project was. Starting with...
My name is DyAnna Ramirez and I help connect the circuits.
My name is Marron, and when they came with the vision, I helped create it.
My name is Cassandra Vallejo, and I thought of the idea.
My name is Yesenia Garcia, and I'm the one that created the game.
My name is Miah Contreras, and I as well helped create Cassie's vision.
Okay. Now, y'all can choose. What was the actual concept you came up with, and how was it supposed to work?
Okay, so the idea was as it has like controllers right here, like Ashley was doing it and she would move her hand up and side to side and down, like so they could learn how to like move the wrist all over again, like not to the point where it would hurt them.
We connected the circuits to the metal panels. We had put some aluminum foil in the Play-Doh so it could look like there's buttons. And the circuits were here and they were all connected, so every time since the circuit was connected to the aluminum foil on the wrist, she was able to move her wrist up and down. So that's how the game would be played.
Okay. And I see that it says dash.
Oh.
Does that stand for anything?
No, it's just the name we decided to give our game because of the way the game is played. Well, you move your wrist up and down and to the sides, and it's a little like dot, I guess you could say. And when you move your wrist up, you have to, like, the thing goes up, and when you move it to side, like, it follows your wrist movement, and you have to dash through it because there's lights and you don't want to get touched by the light because then you have to start over.
Oh, okay. Now, you mentioned that it was a pretty large competition when we were talking earlier. How many teams were there? About how many students were you competing against, and how did you all place?
I think there was like about 34 teams.
And each team had like 5 groups, and out of all those teams, we came out second.
Awesome. Now, it's an engineering competition. Am I safe to assume that this is something y'all are going to pursue once you graduate? Which electrical? Anybody else?
No, I don't think so, no.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for letting us know, and fans, tune in next time.